Hello, my name is David from CSP Holding Group. Our company mainly offers the machinery for producing water heater tank. Today, we would like to show you the PUF injection machine. This is our PUF injection machine, which we are producing for one of Europe customer. The machine is CE certificate, and you can see the PLC system is using the Siemens. Also from here, we can see the white and black materials tanks. It's easy for installation and training, no need maintenance. And also, you can see our patent mixing gun. The head is our patent products. No need any cleaning after usage. So we would like to offer you more machines for different PUF industries. If you need any machine, just contact us in time. Thank you.